All right, hey, I'm working on installing the clutch ball joint on the engine itself. So this is for the Z-bar. So here's my original and here's a new one. So in the process of rebuilding the whole Z-bar itself. Um, I want to show you where it goes on the engine. So this is a small block. So goes right there, and then if you have your original one, I'm sure it looks just fine. You look at it and go, okay, it's not worn, fine. But you got to remember there is the rubber seal that is on there. So right here, you got your rubber seal. On mine, it was completely gone. So even though the ball looks good, you still need to get the seal. I'm not sure if you can buy one, try to keep original joint, but I don't know if you can get new seal around this one. Well, they get it sooner or later because manufacturer has to do it, but either way, so I got a new one. We'll get this screwed in. Okay, just a simple open box 5/8" wrench. The sucker on there and turn it. We'll get it on there. All right, there we go. All done. It's that easy.